Hi guys, I'm here. Today we will talk about radio button, that how you can interact with the radio button. So before going to create our application, you just have to aware of this radio button. So what is the radio button, guys? Radio button, like you have a multiple options. Then you can choose one of them. So it's called radio button. So let's talk about radio button, right? So as you can see, radio button, like you have a two states, check or uncheck. So what is radio group? Radio group is used to group together one or more radio button views that are allowing one or more radio button to be checked or within the radio group. So guys, it's pretty easy to understand. You don't need to worry about it. In this lessons, I'm going to explain each and every topic, so don't worry. And as you can see, you can easily use Android widgets.radio class to render applications like using group together. So if radio button are grouped in one, then one radio button within the group is selected, all others automatically are deselected. So here we're going to see that one example for better understanding. You guys don't worry. So just exit this. So guys, just open up Android Studio. So guys, just open up Android Studio. So as you can see, I already taken my button for click event, and I already grouped my radio button in one group. So as I can show you that I already taken one radio group. It's called is ID of a radio group, and I already taken three radio buttons for click event like MCA, BCA, and BBA. So when user click on one radio button, that will show the toast that which radio button is selected. So it's pretty easy to understand. Now just go to the main activity dot java file, right? So every time you declare the variable like a button, like some button, you always do with the same things. So it's not difficult to find the ID of a button and group, right friend? So find the radio button and radio group. So radio group like RG and radio button. It's up to you guys which ID you want to, or which variable you want to declare, right? So it's up to you guys. I'm not telling you that do same thing like I'm doing right now. So radio button like check, and now just find the button ID over here as you like B button, and find your ID r.id dot button. Now just make sure that you click on button, so set on click listener. For that, if you want to perform any operation like respond to button, so as you know that we have to declare set on click listener. So now just do one thing more. Find the radio group ID. Like already you can see I already declare a variable RG. So just copy, or you can write like RG equal to find the radio group ID and find group ID. So guys, if you don't want like a radio group here, so you just control X and paste it here. It doesn't matter. So now next thing you're gonna do that make sure the integer and select ID or something. Select ID equals to radio group ID like RG. So as you can see, I already declare integer variable over here. So if anybody choose one option from radio button, So it will show the toast that which radio button is selected from user. So get check radio button ID, get check radio button ID, right? So now, as we forget, guys, we are remaining to declare our, and we forget something like creating ID of radio button. So just find ID and declare and find by ID of radio button. So just check and find the radio button over here and find by ID and just pass the select ID over here. So it will group together on a single group select. So we done. Now the next thing you're gonna do, guys, more important is like declare toast over here. So whenever user click on radio button, and then when user click on button, so it will display a message like which uh, which stream you selected, right? MCA, BCA, BBA. So just pass the check ID over here. So now just copy and paste it, and now that text, as you always do, guys, get text to string. So it convert into integer to string. Always you do, guys. So it doesn't make sense that if you don't know. So now just as you can see, we always do a toast dot length short or show something. So we almost done our program. Now it's hardly to do one thing more that always we do. Like we just have to run the application in emulator if you want to have. So now, so guys, we almost done our application. It's time to run our application in emulator if you want. Uh, so as you can see, I'm running my application on this Mirror Grow software. So now just open up application which we created. So as you can see, our application is perfectly running on my emulator. So now just click on MCA, and you can see we can choose multi we can choose only one option from multiple options, right? So now just click on click button, as you know that. So there you go. When I hit on BCA, right, so that will toast me BCA. When I hit on BBA, then I click button, so it will toast BBA. So guys, if you like this example, you are a new in my community, so make sure that you hit on subscribe button for more updates. So I hope you like my video.